To our top story this afternoon, Panjshir, situated in the northern province of Afghanistan's Hindu Kush range, has never fallen into the hands of foreign invaders. Panjshir stood as a citadel during the Soviet invasions in 1980s and Taliban in 1990s. Now it is once again the epicenter of anti-Taliban front. India Today is the only channel that visited Panjshir Valley that is challenging the Taliban takeover. Here is an India Today world exclusive.
The land of five lions. The land never conquered by invaders. The land of Ahmad Shah Massoud, the legendary Tajik warlord. The land where Amrullah Saleh and Ahmad Massoud lead the resistance against Taliban. India Today reports from Ground Zero, Panjshir.
This is Afghanistan Panjshir province, a province that the Taliban have not yet been able to seize, and the popular resistance force led by Ahmad Massoud are monitoring any Taliban movement.
Tucked away in the mighty Hindu Kush mountains, the terrain of Panjshir Valley makes it a virtually impregnable fortress. High mountains, narrow valley, and the protection provided by the Panjshir River. All roads leading to Panjshir are dominated by fiercely patriotic Tajik fighters who've grown up on the legend of Ahmad Shah Massoud, the fierce Northern Alliance commander who successfully stood up first to the Soviets in the 1980s and then the Taliban in the 1990s till 2001. The commanders today have been brought up on stories of valor of the Tajik warriors who stood up to the Soviets and the Taliban. The folklore has it that even Alexander the Great could not conquer Panjshir by force.
Most of those who have joined the Popular Resistance Front are young people, soldiers and former jihadi commanders who do not accept captivity and want a comprehensive and acceptable system for all. We have all the facilities for war and military, and we are ready against the Taliban from any gate, peace or war.
The Tajiks are unwilling to submit to Pakistan-backed Taliban. Several Afghanistan National Army soldiers have also reached Panjshir to join the resistance.
We have not achieved our goals in the Afghan army. Now we want to defend our homeland and freedom by joining the ranks of the Popular Resistance Front.
The Taliban initially are learned to have mounted an operation to attempt and overwhelm the Tajik fighters guarding the routes to Panjshir. Leading the resistance, Afghanistan's caretaker President Amrullah Saleh, speaking exclusively to India Today from Panjshir, denied reports that Taliban had captured parts of the valley.
The Taliban claim that they have got part of Panjshir is completely false. We are in control. The morale of the people is very high. We have been able to build consensus amongst the community who have unanimously stood up saying they are not ready to sell the soul of the resistance and bow to the Taliban. We have organized, we have managed, and we are ready both for meaningful negotiation.
But the Taliban are slowly surrounding the valley. Groups of armed fighters are blocking all approach roads towards the valley. In Parwan, India Today spoke to a local Taliban commander guarding an access to Panjshir.
Whenever an order is given to fight and occupy Panjshir, we will enter Panjshir within a day. But Mullah Hibatullah has not yet ordered this. We are not extremists. We do whatever Islam says.
Though Taliban claim negotiations are underway and a Taliban delegation is in Panjshir to hold talks with the resistance leadership, the fighters are clearly taking no chances.
The resistance fighters are watching the Taliban closely. It is not their words but their actions are being watched. The resistance wants rights of Afghans to be protected, not Talibanization of Afghanistan. Reporting from Ground Zero in Panjshir, this is Ahmed Navid Kavesh, India Today.